Hello guys, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Moonpay. First, you have to log into your Moonpay account, then make sure that your account is verified. Without verified account, you can't withdraw money from Moonpay. You can withdraw from your Moonpay balance at any time. There is the fee and only a few steps to go through. First, open the Moonpay app and go to your Moonpay balance. Tap on the withdraw button, then enter the amount you'd like to withdraw, then choose the bank you'd like to withdraw to, and lastly confirm your withdrawal request. Now here is a road note for you: you can only withdraw to a bank account that you have topped up from previously. To withdraw to another bank account, you will need to top up from it first. You can also use your bank card like credit card or debit card to withdraw money to your bank account. That's how you can withdraw money from Moonpay accounts. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.